Hello everyone. As we have started the topic states of matter in that Boyle's law, we have completed the statement, equation, graphical representation also. Now we are going to discuss the point which is from the Boyle's law only, that is the relationship between the density and pressure. So if we consider the density, as we know that density is, what is this point? Density is the ratio of mass and volume, so in that we can write the formula that is the density is equal to mass upon volume. But here, as we know that density changes with the temperature, density changes with the temperature. So we can write this equation at constant temperature like that, at constant temperature. How to write? See, volume is equal to mass upon density. Clear to everyone? So this is the equation number 1. This is the equation 2. Here we got one equation which is from the density point. Now according to Boyle's law, as we know that according to Boyle's law, temperature is the constant term. So according to Boyle's law, we can write the point like that, at constant temperature, pressure is inversely proportional to volume. So we can write here P is equal to K1 upon V. If we are modifying this equation, then we will get the equation that is the PV is equal to K1. Now simply put this equation 2 into 3. Next point is that put equation 2 in equation 3. Then what will be the point? What will be the formula? See, P, V. Instead of V, we have to write M by D. So, M by D is equal to K1. This K1 is the proportionality constant. Now, simply what we have to do here. So, just we got the equation 4. Now, we are going to modify this equation number 4. If you are completing the notes in your notebook, please note down all these points for this one also. So after that we can say here, see, P into M divided by D is equal to K1. Now we are shifting that M to the right hand side. What will be the equation? P divided by D is equal to K1 by M. We are going to consider bus K1 by M. We are going to take here another one constant, that is the K dash. So after that, this is the 5th formula. This is the 6th one. So in this way, what we are going to do here, put equation 6 in 5. Then what we will get? We will get here P by D is equal to K dash. If we are shifting that D to another side, then P is equal to K dash D. K dash is the proportionality constant. So if we are removing that constant, then P is directly proportional to the D. So according to that, we can write here. Now see, what is the final conclusion? That is the at constant temperature, pressure of a given mass of a gas, is directly proportional to its density. Hope so everyone understood this concept, whatever we have taken, that is the relationship between the density and pressure. Thank you all of you.